Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a free website or blog without any coding. And to start off with, what you're going to need when you create any website, you're going to need some web hosting. And what this means is it's a server that you can put all of your files on that then people can connect to view your website. And there are paid versions and free versions, but for this tutorial I'm going to use a free one so anyone can do it. And you're going to need free web hosting. So you're going to go to www.webhost.com. Well, that's what I'm going to do. You can use any free web hosting service or paid if you want to. But you can go to Order Now for the free one, and you can enter all your information and get free web hosting. But I already have this, so I'm going to log into it by going to www.webhost.com/members. And now I can log in to my account with them. And once you've logged in, I've got my website that anyone can view, and for now I'm going to create a new one by hitting create new to use for this tutorial. And I'm going to call it make free site.net23.net. If you choose the top one, then you can use a domain that you created on another site, but I haven't, so I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to enter a password and set up new account. And so I've just created make free site.net23 and with password test123. So I'm going to go back to the accounts list, and now as you can see this is building here, so you can hit refresh status and it's now active. So if we click here, our website is up and running. So now what we need to do is we need to add Wordpress to it, and this is a way of editing and adding posts to your website without any coding for free. And even if you do want to do it with coding, it will take a lot longer to code it, and this does look really good. So I would recommend getting Wordpress, and if you go to their website, which is wordpress.org, and then press download WordPress, and then download WordPress 3.4.1, and I've got a download starting down here. And I'll resume the video once that's downloaded. Okay, so now I've downloaded WordPress and extracted it to my desktop here, and as you can see we've got all the files we need from WordPress. Now we need to put WordPress on our website, and the easiest way to do this is using something called FTP. And to get an FTP program, you need to go to the internet and search for FileZilla, or go to this website filezillaproject.org and download the FileZilla client for either all platforms or Windows, depending on what you have. Once you have that, if you just open up FileZilla, and once this opens you'll have a screen like this, and you need to connect to your website. And the way you get all this information is if you just open up here and then click on the Go to C panel on the website you've got. And if you scroll down on the C panel, you'll find View FTP Details. And here's all the information you need. So if we copy this and paste it in here, and get the username and enter the password of test123, I believe it was, and we don't have to enter anything for port, we can just hit connect or quick connect. And here we've got a directory of all of our files. So now if you double click on here where it says public HTML and double click, this is where we need to put all of our WordPress files. So if we go to WordPress and hit Control A to select all of these, and just drag all of them here, and this is going to take a while for it to install all of the files onto our FTP server for our new website, so I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Okay, now all of the files have been transferred into the web server. We need to open up a web browser And in a new tab, we're going to go to our new website, which is makefreesite.net23.net. So makefreesite.net23.net /wp-admin/install.php. So now we get an error here saying that we need to create a configuration file, so we click this here, and it says that we need to create a database. So if we go back to our cPanel and scroll down, you can see where it says MySQL. If we click on that, we can create a database. So I'm just going to call it WordPress. Oh, not enough characters. Okay, I'll call it WP for WordPress site, and I'll WP site, and I'll just have the password test123 for simplicity, and create database. Right, so now if we copy this information, if we hit let's go, so database name, if we copy this and just paste it here, and username is here, and the password was test123, the host is here, and if you just paste this in, and table prefix is if you want to run multiple WordPress installations, and just for security you should change this, so if you just add a random string after it and then press submit. And right, if you hit run the install, it will start to install WordPress, so we need to give the site a title, so I'm just going to call it test site, no, YouTube test site, and I'll leave the username as admin, and the password I'll have as test123, test123, and I'll enter my email, and hit. Actually, before I hit install WordPress, this is just a test site. I'm going to uncheck this and hit install WordPress. And now it's successfully been installed. So now if we want to log in to our site, we can just go to makefreesite.net23.net /wp-admin, hit enter. And now we have a login page. So my login is admin, and then test123 and login. And our dashboard for WordPress should pop up, and we can edit our website. So I'll just show you a little bit of this. If we say we want to change posts, to put posts on the front page of our website, there's a default one here called Hello World, which we can delete now. If I just go add new, and then I'll give this a title, so here's our first post that we might do, and you can edit it using these or in HTML. So I don't know, if we say wanted to underline it, and you can do HTML tags, and then we can press publish, and if we go to our website, and we've got a default theme and our first post here. Now we've got home, which is obviously here, and sample page, and I'll show you how to create new pages. So if we go to pages, if we delete the sample page, and add new, and call it new page, and just say this is a new site, a new page created in WordPress. And if we refresh this, we don't have sample page anymore, but we have new page here. So if we click on this, and we've got some content in it and somewhere for users to leave a reply. So we can change settings if we click on the settings tab and change this to a new WordPress site, or whatever we want it to be, and we can save changes and refresh this, and there, a new WordPress site. And this default theme can get a bit boring, so if you want a new theme, you can go to Google and just search for WordPress themes, and there's loads of free themes that you can get here, or you can go to other sites and just make sure that they're all free. If we just try one here, I don't know, let's try this one, demo and download. If we just hit download version 1.4.2, and once this is downloaded, we can go back to here and go to appearance, themes. In our dashboard, go to install themes, go upload, and browse for our file, and here it is, platform 1.4.2. Hit open and install now. Thanks for watching this video on how to get a free WordPress website. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and go to my website, which will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.